friends, I'm just going to show you how to annotate a Google slide using Zoom. It's a pretty cool feature. So what you're going to want to do is get into your Zoom. You can join to a meeting that's already set up. And once you're in Zoom, look down here on the bottom where it says screen share. Click on screen share. And the first time you do this, there's going to be another option here that says something like Chrome with annotations or desktop with annotations. Make sure you click that if it's here. If it's not here, you can just click desktop 1. And once that's up, I'm just going to move the Zoom out of the way. You can see at the top panel here, there's a few options for you to have while you are doing screen share. What you're going to want to use is annotate. It's the one that looks like a pencil. Click on that, and there are several things that you can do within annotate, including draw. You can do arrows to things if you want to highlight. If you want to circle something to make a point. If you want to just free draw squiggly lines everywhere. There's also, some stamps, an arrow. There's a heart, things like that. Spotlight is really nice. The first time you use it, you'll have to enable your accessibility settings. The nice thing is it makes it really easy to see where your cursor is. So if you're showing somebody how to do something, that's great as well. If you do move on to another page, it's going to still have the same drawing on it. So you're going to want to clear all my drawings so that you can start fresh. And, we're going to really highlight, oops, didn't mean to move that, sorry. You're going to want to, be on the correct thing. Make sure that, okay, guys, remember, it's pajama day. So that sort of thing. And yep, after that's done, you can save all the annotations from that page if you want to, and that will save as a picture. And if you need to get out of this annotation window, just hit X. And here you are back at the top. This has some really good features more. You can disable attendee annotation so that other people can't annotate on your slide at the same time. That might be important. If you want them to, though, you would want to show their name. So those are some cool features that you can add as well. The other thing that's super helpful is that you can mute all from this tab. If you need everyone to be quiet all at once, you can mute them. A keyboard shortcut for doing that is holding down Control Command M. That will automatically mute everybody. I would deselect this if you don't want them to unmute themselves. Hit continue. And as soon as you're ready to unmute everybody, all you have to do is click spacebar and nobody will be muted anymore. So this is just a quick look at how to annotate using Zoom and how to mute all. All right, I hope you're good. Talk to you guys later. Bye.